Their father, they never see something. Their father, their mumu father, they never see something. Ndoshi. Their mumu father. So we me and them. We go to inform the public on their movements and their activity. Unless we never get the information. Unless we never get the information. So long na police station, this Nigeria police, this same Nigeria police force. I don't know the information where they feel hide from us for them. I don't know the information. I don't know how they want to take hide them. Unless people know they go visit there. Know how where people no go visit there where the information no go reach us. Okay? So my people, like I was saying on the big masquerade, before we came to this side, it turns out, according to the lady informing me, she said these people, some men came to first CID. For those of you that didn't watch the other one, that some men came to the first CID and they want to take Doris to Lagos. Okay, they want to take Doris to Lagos. Now, as we were saying over there before this thing ended, my people, there is a limit to where you will help somebody that is tying themselves to this IPOB nonsense. Yes. There is a limit to where you can help the person. Like now, what are you going to do? We are going to get a senior officer now to get involved into this, knowing very well they will just show them this video. Or some of you there now are not telling me that they reposted the video again. So why would they repost the video if not for anybody who wants to help to see this? And once they see the thing, they will just withdraw. They did it to me. This same for CID. And I'm telling you, I may know the DIG they are using to do that thing. Are you seeing the efficiency with which the police is functioning on this case? It's because it's highly funded. It's highly funded. It's highly funded, yes. So you cannot play. Let me play the video for you. Not even the video, only the write-up self. Only the write-up. No. Doris messed up big time. She messed up big time.
I'm here at the mechanic, fixing my car. Going out, I don't know what happened. The AC stopped working, and so they are checking on it. But I just saw something on Instagram. I saw Cubana Chief saying that he woke up to see the deputy speaker writing him. That's deputy speaker, Right Honorable Benjamin. Well, I don't know the surname. Sorry if I couldn't pronounce the surname, sir. I just saw that Cubana Chief said that you wrote him, and I immediately sent you a message. I tried to reach out to you, find my call, and I sent you a message, and I said, Cubana Chief just called you up, and I hope you're not threatening him. And why is that? Sir, with due respect to you, you said you're the this 4th or 6th man in the country. With due respect to you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, before your eyes broke as the 4th or 6th man, I don't know, you watched them measure that injustice on your own brother. I just pray you're not threatening Cubana Chief Priest. I just pray and hope that it's not a threat to him. Because if it's a threat, you will have me to contend with that. I tried to reach out to you, inbox. I called you, you didn't pick. I just pray that your reaching out to him is to tell him that you're going to find a way to bring our brother back, our brother Nnamdi back. I just hope it's not threat. Sir, because if you do that, you will have me to contend with. All of you are seated there in power. watching. You saw what happened. You, they demoted Zokalo, our governor Oti. I don't know how many are you in government. You guys.
You dey see am. You dey see am. How person go dey even dey talk like this? You want to beef the deputy speaker. You want to beef the deputy speaker. Na terrorist you dey use the beef to beef the deputy speaker. Now, those of you that know this platform very well, you people know that it's even because of this Nnamdi Kanu that I and Owerri, it's because of this that I and Owerri had problem. And you say me, I go involve myself for this matter. When nobody call my name as witness or anything. So if they tell you, like you they go somewhere, somebody tell you, say, Ijele, they help somebody where they attack person with this type of Nnamdi Kanu, you know go call me an unstable human being. You know go call me an unstable human being. You went and posted it yesterday. You are challenging a whole deputy speaker. You know, say we in Igbo, we don't respect authority. We have this generation of Igbo. We have zero respect for authority, and because of the type of culture we grew up in, this modern culture that is totally different from our traditions. This modern culture. Okay? Let me block one Ozu. How, like you, woman? Let me block one Ozu. Woman. Go they talk to, like, if you want to attack any politician, make sure you are on the right. That is the only way they will fear you. If not, they will use your mistake against you. Okay? Okay? It says been long she recorded that video. No, but she shared it yesterday. She shared it yesterday morning. She shared the video yesterday morning. Yes. She shared it yesterday morning. So how would somebody now, if now you will go and defend somebody that is clearly tied to a terrorist? Doris will be say, have initial contact with this platform. Now when Emmanuel Kanu won't buy him. Yes. Emmanuel Kanu is supposed to be in jail now. But it is this same Doris that caused it. How could you hold somebody by the neck, somebody that nearly died you? Our group gathered, did everything, even for the case to be assigned to the Awka team. For the case to be assigned to the Awka team, Nnamdi Kanu called you and told you that you should withdraw the matter, take it away from Ijele, and he will pay you for all the damages. Okay, since he pay you finish, how far? Didn't Emmanuel go on to be committing more evil, including selling the only village land they have? I've told you people multiple times. Oburu side that gawa side there. Obu the other side go to the other side. Now you have made this issue about a different thing altogether. Let me block another Ozu. You have made it what is not, but I guarantee you people, Chris no go free. This is that Pastor Chris. He no go free. Okay? You no go free. I'm hearing another kepu. Yes. I'm hearing another kepu. Destiny Onyanos. I'm hearing another kepu about Chris. Them say, he get one girl where them between say he go even marry, can't do the pay the bride price this December. The girl they live for Atlanta, Georgia. So this one where they between them and Doris, you can say, oh, Doris no get good character. He dey with them. He dey. What about this girl in Atlanta, Georgia, uncle? My brother Onyamus, just focus on the case you have. Why are you sharing? In fact, if you had made this video, you are supposed to be deleting it. Now, Chris will tell you that it's Holy Spirit that made her fall into this trap. This one say, are you the judge? How do you mean judge? Your name self, prayer works. Which prayer they work? Waiting prayer won't work for you. When I say them say, you suppose no say me. I know they carry, they come outside, they talk. Information dey now. Now the girl go come use her mouth to talk am. According to the family friend that told me this thing, he told the girl not to come on social media. Yes. Eugene Odemelam, yes. This girl in Atlanta, Georgia, I will see what they will use to defend Chris from that girl. More they come. More they come. Now, do you people see why I cautioned against attacking Doris? With all those attacks when I do Doris now, the other girls, where they there, how they go to come out? How they go to come out? Tell me. How are they going to come out? Like, I don't know. Anybody where they this life suppose they hear advice. Any person where they this life suppose they hear advice. Oga Sadiq where they no they Nigeria even told me a day before they arrest Doris. He say, Ijele, be very mindful, and he hardly makes mention of anything without being too sure, because you know the sensitivity of his office, and they get information and then they decide you on a future. He told me, Ijele, mind how you get yourself involved with this Doris thing. He even wrote me again this evening. Make I sure now when Oga Sadiq take right me and what he wrote. Let me show you people. No, even call me self, I don't know. I have music, I go hide the number and but see the message here. See the message. See the message. Let me switch this thing. I know one make no be all. Don't worry, it will be clear. The thing go clear, man. I no worry. Oh, I no want to go far. Why the thing no clear well? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Then I answered yes, sir. Are you seeing it? Hope you saw the message. See the time he sent me that message. And it's likely the exact time those people enter for CID. And person sent me, you know the Nigeria. In the person who sent this, you know the Nigeria. And now these kind of people go for even help the matter. So me, anything where Biafra enter, anything will make person mention Nnamdi Kanu will no be say you they complain, say why they even give a life imprisonment will no be buying. Anything other than that, no be me and you. No be me and you. Yes, he called it a debacle. How can you be helping somebody? The person you are helping is there going to support a terrorist. Yeah. And me now #1 anti-terror fighter for Southeast. Now me be #1 I the owner with my full chest. Nobody, no Igbo man has done more to curtail this terrorism in the Southeast than me. Name the person. I won't see. Okay, me I jump and pass. So let them. It's a family affair. Pastor so Biafra are the same people. So now they know how they want to take settle. Okay. Pastors and Biafra people now the same people. So as far as I'm concerned, this is an internal affair between IPOB, ESN supporters. Let them go and settle it. My hand no take. Is there which can name be this one? Owobu says she is a terrorist also that has been caught up with. Simple. Yes, so King Sabo, na me, Mpandi Sabo, na me. Field Marshal of the saboteurs, na me. Okay? Na me. Of course, it's an internal Biafra crisis. Let them settle it well. Okay? Me, okay? If I reject something, my family first na Anglican. So, I had her just to Igbo catechism in the Anglican. Also, aga ma ju ekwensu na ọrụ ya niile. Na mpako ya niile. N'ihe efu nke ụwa ọjọọ nka. Na agụ mmehie niile nke dị n'ime ọnụ ahụ, especially agụ mmehie niile nke dị n'ime ọnụ ahụ. Na the same people, fundi aha, ishi bi no na akpampi. So, this is an IPOB crisis. We are going to leave it for them, make them settle. You understand? So, but I won't come out here and over blame Doris. When she comes back ahead, that one I can blame her. But her safety is our priority. Okay? This was a jail. Make sure J-Pack is arrested, but let him come back to Nigeria first. Let him come to Nigeria first. Shebi, when he get to occasion, when they go do, they post them, abi. Hey, let him come back to Nigeria and I know his location. No, I know say me, I know they talk too much. You see my father, me. If I get any evidence, say my father do any where be say government in here, then go arrest him. Me, I go tell them, say me they go carry him. Let alone a different person. J-Pack never come back. And you get where we go wait for him reach. I go Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I go NIA. I go NIA. I been don't change the name for the passport. Info today there now to arrest person for China no hard. So every single, when I say every single person, if you like, be my mother. Be my mother. You support this thing, Biafra, no be me and you. Like, I go even help deal with you. So no use me play. Of course. Onyoma lafa lafa. So my people, leave bingoism. Igbo man, Igbo woman, leave bingoism. Especially when you have issues like wetin go give Doris to that effort. They talk say the deputy speaker go have you to contend with. How? How? You no even like Nnamdi Kanu pass the deputy speaker. Yes. You no like Nnamdi Kanu reach the deputy speaker. When we go our protest for National Assembly, Shebi you know say deputy speaker pass us. Yes, we saw his retinue coming in. He was inside a Mercedes SUV, G-Wagon. He saw Nnamdi Kanu's picture, you know, that big banner with Nnamdi Kanu photo and Biafra. He just turned down his window. He saw us. He saw us, looked at us, then turned it up again and continued. We saw him that day now. You know the way they take go. We get people where they there, and we still get people where mount by the corner where they do eye. If we dey go protest, those people where they see for front, Ghana kill zone be that. You enter from us and from back you go collect bullet. If na bullet if na stick if na anything, na from back you go collect am. So if the deputy speaker was in support of us, he would have at least identified with us there. He would have identified with us to show you that he didn't like what we were doing. And now one can go use the same thing. They attack the deputy speaker. Whomever that was giving her that confidence, you go and save her. Okay? No, for this her police matter, I don't wash my hands off. That does not mean that all the allegations she made against Chris that we will not investigate it. Far from it. No, we are now pure observers. Where Doris dey. Oga Doris, the one carry am go Lagos. Okay? Somebody say, Ijele, I got to know you when Emmanuel, through Doris, when Emmanuel and the more powerful and his IPOB members attacked her and nearly bad her. Yes! And it's still the same Doris that spiked that case. It's still the same her that spiked the case. Nnamdi Kanu later called her, begged her to leave Emmanuel alone, and he will settle. According to her, she told me, this one no be say person tell me. She said Nnamdi Kanu paid her for the damages. Nnamdi Kanu paid her for the damages. Then she abandoned the case, letting Emmanuel Kanu go scot-free. And since then, how many atrocities has Emmanuel committed? When they see her, VDM has given who this in an ultimatum. Francis Denedo, check your message, it's not complete. Who did he give an ultimatum? Ultimatum to do what? The only thing they will do is just to try to force her to reach an agreement with them, you know, sign not to talk about Chris. Now, whether they will pay her or not, it's up to them. I don't know. Or they will tell her to come and do apology. But the Doris I know will not do that. Okay? Yes. You say, so no be today, man. Not today. Ijele, please apply refrain. Now why I refrain from getting involved now? Now why I know get involved? Is there a twist in her? Prince Livingstone Armstrong, I missed your call. The twist is that they took her. And when those people came to her house, I spoke with her. She said no, it's the agency that brought her maid, which means those people went as far as contacting the agency that gave her a maid. This is a warning to all of you. Okay? This is a warning to all of you that are using all these agencies. And I don't know much that these people will be doing for you in your house. Cleaning. Woman, you know if you clean your house or waiting. Okay, if the house is too big, you contact people. Okay? You contact people that will come, they do the job, they go. Cook your own food. Cook your own food. The VDM get police till Tuesday to release her, or else he will release some evidence that is sent to him here. 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 All those things. See, having evidence against Chris is one thing, but leaving yourself open. Leaving yourself open for this type of attack with this video, you are not doing yourself any favor. Okay? You are not doing yourself any favor. Of course, they want to close her mouth, finish. They want to get her to stop talking. This is what all these pastors do. That's why I said, if you are fighting these people, make sure you are as clean as a whistle. Make sure you are as clean as a whistle. If not, there is nothing they will not use. There is no network they will not use. Don't you know that church membership is a network? Don't you know that church membership is a network? I doubt there is anything Doris sent to VDM that she didn't show me. Yes. Unless there is any other thing he has. Okay? Okay? Now she know they listen. Now she know they listen. That same Saturday, I was supposed to be with her on that Saturday. I called her in the morning. And there is a matter I want us to harp on, which I believe is the reason that this man went haywire. Let me tell you what I believe. Let me tell you what I believe is the reason those people started panicking. It was when she said that they should go and open that altar. When she said, go and open that altar. Chris Okafor's altar. That accusation struck a chord. Now, we are not saying that Chris Okafor buried somebody in the altar, but we have seen people that bury people on their altar, under their altars. It happened at Ugwajo. Those of you from Enugu confirm this thing. At that Ugwajo was about 7 men. 7 hefty men were buried under the church foundation. All of them were buried at the entrances. The church they were still building. Yes. Someone say, well, you know, yes, Francis, I told her to calm down, oh, pipe low first. She know the year. She know the year. You should have advised her not to attach any case on her case. My brother, how I go take no say she go post video where she attack deputy speaker? How I go take no? How I go take no say she won't go attack? Like, in my widest imagination, I didn't even know. And that is because he said 7 men buried that. You forgotten the video. It happened that Ugwa Jokunano. It happened that Ugwa Jokunano. Search for it. Just search for it. Search for the news, you will see it. Ha. So my brother, how I go take no say she want go dey involve herself with this nonsense? Now make me use that phrase in the morning. Person where the one born go use petrol bath. How you think say it go be? Okay? God fight for her. Okay, God no dey fight for anybody. Now your brain. Now your brain. Calculate every step. My last conversation with her before this thing happened, I told her, calculate 3 steps ahead on everything. To the point I even told her, I said, if we are discussing about this, don't make any accusation, but just emphasize on that alter something, because you see these people, if you are hammering on anything that will hit them, find that right chord, be hammering it, be playing it. Now, have you seen how attention has been shifted from the 2 accusations of wire fraud through Interpol and this one of the author? Although she didn't say they buried anybody there, but she said the DSA should go and open there and check. Once again, make I know yes say fire catch any part of the church. Make I know yes say somebody want to do reconstruction work inside there. Make I know yes say church fall. Now something they want we know 1 year ago. Then Doris, she know the logo by him is the law. She's just going to face the law. Finish. Okay. Of course, there are things, you know, and I was telling her also, concentrate on all those secret things, bring them out. This one of you bring half, leave that side, and engage in exchange of talk. Gina madu na ekwe nnewu 1 pound 10. Onye karịrị akarị. Gina na na ekwe nnewu 1 pound 10. Dadam Dorothy Chinemerem Ekogu Ubilo said, exactly, it happened at Ugwa Jokuna. Yes, now. Busy Magana. I still remember because I know the community very well. I know the community very well. And the other person is saying, oh, why didn't you advise her to leave the country for what? For who? Leave the country for who and for what? Somebody said the story go comfort. I say me, I tell you the one where goes to bust. The girl where them say Chris promise marriage. One young girl, oh, one innocent young girl. And once they see the video, they hear the watch. If you want no say then they watch this video, make I make any false accusation. They go write petition, come. They invite you for petition. They go write petition, come. Make them they report issue there. We don't already talk, we don't talk. All this one a report, no go get ahead. Okay? All this report when I report no go get ahead. Me, I don't drop the information. Say make on they report the video now on a business. Now I no go get rest. Unless I know hear and confirm am. My people will not trust me now. So long I hear them and I confirm them. Hey, yeah. You say, but did she post this video while ago? No. I'm sure somebody must have gotten into her phone. Someone must have gotten into her phone and posted the video again. She posted the video yesterday. So any other posting that is later than 9 a.m. yesterday. No be she posted. But she posted it before even doing the anti-Aduni video. So it must be her. She must be the one that posted it. Okay? My brother, how we go take no say she still dey sympathize with that baby? No be the same person wey Emmanuel can walk by. No be the same Doris wey Emmanuel can walk by. Oh. My people, like I said, any updates I will be letting you people know. We, members of the Jele Nation, and you know our law for rescue and Igbo, anybody that is involved in any bingoism, we will never. So let us focus on our security. At least the tiger base issue, we are still on it. So this one now, we'll take a backstage. Any update we'll be giving, we'll focus on our anti-tiger base people we want remove the security of Imo State. Those of on our way do with it now. How will they take this secure? I no like them. And I no like them. So make una know say we no be tool for police. Police do wrong, we come talk am. They do right, we praise them. You understand? So now so we dey do am. Police, where they do right, we support them 100%. We support them 100%. He said somebody saying she posted just now. No, anything that you are seeing there, I don't know. Although now maybe they are on their way to Lagos or to somewhere they will go before they go to Lagos. She posted herself right now. What did she post? Let me check the page. Of course, they will give her equity. Make I know. Sorry. Let me check what she posted. I'm on her page now.
Hi guys. Okay,
let's go through my hair makeover. No, now she can't be posting such a thing now. No, all this one now just to confuse people. She can't be posting such a thing. Hair makeover. They them nam they can or Hamadike, God is your strength. 3 hours ago. Okay, see am. They don't they post things about nam they can of happy. I know tell her. This is her photo with nam can. You see am. You see am now. Her photo with Nnamdi Kanu is what they posted. See, them Nnamdi Kanu, Hamadike, God is your strength. Heartbreak, my heart shattered and pained. God, please come through. 3 hours ago. Isn't this one no be planted something? 3 hours ago, no be planted something. Now they come they post where she they make hair. Her hair dressing video. You see am? My brother, the rest, Ziggy. I the rest, John. I the rest. I don't rest. See am now. Say the kind thing they are posting. Only Igbo. Biafra will buy you. As only Igbo. You have no business involving yourself with this Biafra nonsense. You have no business involving yourself with this Biafra nonsense. It will destroy you. Anybody mentioning that name Biafra around you hates you. That is the only thing they can tie you with. The same your politicians that are still using IPOB to do this their nonsense will still be the ones to use it against you when the time comes. He said they will soon post as if she said this happened. He said na fake account of hers. No, that is her real account. That's her real account. She will come out. Of course, she will come out. They go buy her. But is the stress she will be going through? That's what I mean. As a woman. And all these your pastors are very heartless. Let alone the one you are exposing his secret. Let alone the one you are exposing his secret. All of these people are heartless. Evil people. Meaning they have hijacked her phone. What is... Of course. Because before any innocent judge, if they take her before any neutral judge, tampering with her phone itself is tampering with evidence. So they finish their case. But all these ones now, they are posting all those things in order to make all the people that want to help her back off. They did it with me now. So I know how they function. It is well arranged now. Yes. Pastors where you go for prick like this. And I had some discussions with Doris. I told her, as for these pastors, they can't be able to do all those things they used to do before. Because they know there are people watching them now. And those people watching them, how do you think I will go and take any information to them? When you are shouting Biafra, you are supporting Biafra that didn't come, how is it going to work? It won't. So my people, ours is to make sure she's okay. Whichever way we will help, we are going to offer. But we know we carry her for head. Never. It's not going to happen. We know go carry her for head. So my wonderful people, I thank you so much. George Galloway was supposed to watch now. This one don't take the thing. I go watch the rerun. Yeah, so there are people who are supposed to help back up now. No, nobody go pull hand again. Of course, nobody go pull hand again. Now they can't like in this time, in this day and age. In this day and age. Why? How? How? My people, I love you all. See you all tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll be on TV to discuss insecurity in the southeast. So make sure you tune. They are committed a lot of evil with these pastors. I'm only blessed. And this is the issue here. I ask people on TikTok, if a group of armed robbers robs a place and maybe buy 2 people, then why sharing the money, they shortchanged one of them, and that person they shortchanged comes out to say, oh, I was a part of that robbery that by those 2 people. See our group, see where we have done this before. Now we hit this place. Now we hit this other shop. Now we hit this jewelry shop. Now we hit this goldsmith. Now we hit this one. If you are in that position, would you come and say, oh, because he was part of the thing, you will not investigate the accusation that they were the people that did it? No, you go for the bigger fish. You go for this in Nnamdi Kanu's case. How many IPOB people do you think were released after Nnamdi Kanu was convicted? As all those people were released now, do you know how many of them that were the witnesses? All those ones that wore masks to testify against him. Maybe 15 people testify against him, but they released more than 50. So of the 50, which one do you think is the actual person that testified? You wouldn't know. Does it mean government did not know that these people are IPOB members? No, they do, but because these ones helped to catch the Oga and all the accusations were real. They've investigated it and they are real. So this is how matters should be judged. When you see an issue that is consequential to the society, you should focus your energy on the most important and not coming to fall in the trap of all these people. So my people, I love you all. See you tomorrow morning. Let me go watch my geopolitical shows. Stay blessed.